Day 57 of 124, and this is freeze. And this is quite high on the deception scale. This is a 3.5, because when someone's being deceptive, it takes a huge amount of energy and resources within you to keep the deception going. So the body will redeploy, reallocate energy to the deception. And so it's really difficult to have natural gestures. So the body will literally freeze. The eye movement, the hands, the body. There's no natural gesture. It's difficult to make an authentic gesture, really, or management of natural gestures. It's all a little bit freeze-framed movement, except for fear expression. That's different because the brave overrides it, and it looks for the threats and safety side of things. The eyes will widen to take in information of threats and safety. Look for threats and safety. So this is freeze. And it's very difficult to internally manage your gestures when you're being deceptive, and the brain will sort of override that management system, and everything becomes rigid, and natural gestures are very difficult to produce when someone's being deceptive. But remember, change from baseline. What's the context? What's happening at the time that the gesture happens? Clusters, more than one. Could be the blink rate increases, the breathing. Have a look at the BTE, the behavioural table of elements, to have a look at the deception scales and the different gestures. And then culture. Is it something they taught, something they've learned within that culture? And then a checklist to assign a meaning to that. So there's day 57 of 124.